My base today is One Size, and it is the powder foundation in dark 4G. That's what I have on. In today's video, it is the collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun. It is to create an Italian eyeshadow makeup look. All the ladies that are taking part in today's collab, the information is in my description box. You can go check and see what Italian eyeshadow makeup look that they created. I did not base my eyes today because this is a simple eye look. And the theme says, what is Italian makeup style? The answer is, the Italian beauty look centers around sun-kissed skin, golden highlights on the cheeks and lids, sultry and smoky eye makeup, a crimson pout, and on the opposite end of the spectrum, soft nude makeup and a barely there lip that still feels intense and exudes glamour. So that's an Italian eye makeup look. I'm going to create one. Keep watching. I'm using the Trick palette, and I'm using this shade right here all over my eyes. I'm going to use my Juvia's Place, the Saharan blush. I'm going into this shade right here. It is a shimmer, so I can get a little bronzy look. Today's item says, everything I need comes in perfect time. Everything I need comes in perfect time. Always remember you first. Love yourself plenty. Do not ever give up on yourself. Know that everything you need will come in time. Nothing is ever late in God's terms. Only in human terms we think things are late. Please remember to share this video with someone else. Always love yourself. A little bit each and every day. This theme is an Italian makeup look by the group Keeping It Real Fun. Please go check all the ladies out and see what look that they have created. This is the look for today's collab with the group Keeping It Real Fun, an Italian look. And like I said, the Italian look is very sun-kissed on the cheeks and on the lids, but I only kept the sun-kissed on the cheeks. Nude lip and a very light skin tone eyeshadow color. Hopefully you can see it. I incorporate a little bit of everything with the eyeshadow, keeping it plain. The cheeks are sun-kissed and the lips a beige. I appreciate you taking the time out to watch my video today. I want to say thank you very much. Please remember to watch all the videos to the completion. I have lots of playlists. You can always find one in my description. I will see you shortly Until I see you and you see me, I'm asking you to remember that everything you need comes in the perfect time. God loves you and He protects you always. See you shortly. Bye.